I'm working on my other bench here, and I cut out all the pieces. I cut 4 1.5 foot pieces of 2x4 and 4 1 foot pieces of 2x4, and that's the finished product. Alright, I got the second one done, and now I'm gonna work on the third. I think it looks pretty good. It's very strong. Doesn't have any sideways movement. Yeah, I think that'll work just fine. This last one here is going to be a little smaller. It's going to be the one for the middle. And after that I'll make a table so you can put food on it and stuff like that. I sure like to barbecue in it in the summertime. Alright, there's the 4 pieces of 2x4, the 4 1 foot pieces of 2x4. Okay, that one's done. Now I'm gonna add some more stuff to strengthen them up even more. I'm gonna add some pieces on the side, like so. Alright, I finished them up. Painted them brown, and I like how they turned out. Those should come in handy. That's a lot of seedage. Alright, it's the next day and they're all dry. Yeah, I like these a lot. I also went ahead and took a Sharpie to this and circled all my little flaws and stuff like that, scratches and dings and small stuff for filler. Got some more body filler. Mr. Heavy Chevy said in one of my videos that I'll easily use a gallon, and he's right. So I got a gallon because you end up using more than you think, because I mean, you put some on and then you just gotta put more on, and then it just never ending. Also got some oil and stuff to change the oil in the truck, long overdue, but I got the gold Napa, like Military Chevy. I saw he had a gold on his straight 6 there that he's building. But these are made by Wix, which is really good. But and I got Valvoline. I like Valvoline. Alright, anyway, I'm gonna start this thing up, get the oil nice and warm, and change the oil out. I can tell this hasn't been off in a while.
There it goes.
Alright, I had a little trouble getting that old oil filter off, but it's off. And you can see it's kind of dinged up and not in that great a shape, so I'm glad I changed that finally. But I think this is a Fram, and those are pretty junky. Those are pretty cheap quality usually. But now I've got a nice gold under there. And the oil looks pretty good. It doesn't have any abnormal stuff in it, like bearing material or anything. It's pretty clean, so that's good. And I usually save the old oil because I like to use it for just you know, as WD-40. I mean, it's really good for that kind of stuff, lubricating things like door hinges and stuff.